Hi guys, I was looking for a very powerful hair dryer, the one which when you go to hairdresser and they dry your hair in like 3 minutes and you are done, the one when your head wants to blow away. So I finally got one. I chose HappyGoo. So today it's gonna be my first try with it. Exciting. Okay, let's look at it. I'm ready to be impressed. So the box says it's a professional hair dryer, and actually the power is much higher than other hair dryers on the market. I'm just doing for you a quick unboxing so you can see what's inside the box. So here it is. I must say it's quite heavy, but it definitely wouldn't make me to return it. I like it anyway. I like that the buttons, you can adjust the heat and the power, when some of the hair dryer they don't have these options. Okay, I will give it a go now so you can hear how it works, how is the sound. What I definitely like about this hair dryer is that noise is not as huge as some of them which I used to use in the past. I feel like the most hot setting is not as hot, like burning. They sometimes can be really hot, right? And here's the final result. I definitely like my hair is very smooth, shiny and soft in touch.